There is no
Yes, sir,
response.
I'm listening.
Okay. Is this clear question clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. So let's move forward. Now another real life application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you can see a person, Michael, is standing 10 meters away from a tree, and the distance of his eyes from his feet is 1.8 meters. Okay, and the distance from his eyes to the top of the tree is 14 meters. Find the height of the tree. So let's first redraw this shape so that becomes easier to visualize. Okay, so I am given 14 meters. Then this base is, let's give it some letters as well. So let's suppose it's A, B, C and D. So this AB is 10 and BC is 1.8. Okay, I have to find out the height of the tree, which means I have to find out this AD. AD is the unknown length. Now there is a small trick involved in this question. I have to
Sir,
partition
this
this
is
figure
not a
into two figures.
triangle anymore. Like, this is not a triangle.
Yes, this is not a triangle, but we have to make it a triangle. So how do I make it a triangle? That is the trick in this question. We will partition this shape into two shapes. How? We will draw a line from here like this, so that this angle becomes 90 degrees. And this height, let's suppose if this point is E, this height is also 1.8. Okay, so I have partitioned the shape into two shapes. How? The the shape at the top becomes a triangle and the shape at the bottom becomes a rectangle.
Yes.
This is how I have to partition it into two shapes. Okay, so in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this 1.8 BC will be equal to AE.
The
Now I
plus
only
one will
find out
also be
DE.
10. EC.
EC will also be 10. Yes, very good. Now we are left with DE only. We have to find out DE. And we will add DE to 1.8 to find out DA. Okay, so let me write the equation first. DA will actually be equal to DE, which we have to find out, plus EA. EA is equal to 1.8. So we need to find out DE only. So how will I find out DE? Now it should be easy.
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, you will apply Pythagoras theorem. So you will write DC square is equal to EC square plus DE square. Okay. So what is EC? EC is 10 square plus what is DE? DE we have to find out, and DC is 14. So 14 square minus 10 square will be equal to DE square. So DE square will be equal to, so evaluate this value, it will be equal to 96, right? 196 minus 100 is 96. So DE will be equal to, what is the square root of 96? It is 9.8, or you can write it as 9.79. So just put this value over here in the first equation. So you will get 9.79 plus EA is 1.8. So the answer will be 11.6 meters. Okay. Is it clear? Any confusion?
No, sir, it's pretty much clear.
What about other students? Saad, Ali Zain, Adina, any confusion?
No, sir, everything is clear.
Okay, so let's move forward. This is the third kind of question that you can get in the exam. So in this particular question, you have a rectangle which shows a school field, and these are the unknown lengths. The length is unknown, the width is unknown, and the length of diagonal is given to be x point x plus 9. So we have to find out the value of x. Okay, now this question is pretty much straightforward because the lengths of sides are given. So you just have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. The only difficulty that you might face in this question is simplification of expressions. So how will I do that? You know that in a Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So first you will write down the equation. Okay. Then you have to simplify it to find out the value of x. Yes, so how will I simplify it? Do you all remember the formula for a plus b square? Yes or no? Yes, students, are you listening? Do you remember the formula for a plus b whole square? Have you done it before?
Yes, sir. Remember, sir. A square plus 2ab, sir. A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, excellent. So what will be x plus 9 square over here? You take the square of first number. Okay, then the square of second number plus 2 times the first number and the second number. First number is x, second number is 9. Okay, this is the expansion of x plus 9 square. Then this should right side should be equal to x square plus, now expand x plus 7 square, it will be x square, okay, plus 7 square is 49 plus 2 into x into 7. Okay, so now simplify it further. X square will remain x square plus 9 square is 81 plus what is 2 into x into 9? It is 18x. Then what is x square plus x square? It is 2x square plus 49 will remain it is as it is. And what is 2 into x into 7? It will be 14x. Okay, now take all these three expressions from left to right hand side. So I'm going to take this to right hand side. Why? Because I want to form an equation. So if I take this to the right hand side, I will get 2x square plus 49 plus 14x minus the sign of all the terms will be changed. X square minus 81 minus 18x, and that will be equal to 0. So subtract the like terms now. 2x square minus x square is x square. Okay, 14x minus 18x is minus 4x. Okay, and what is 49 minus 81? Should be equal to 32, right? Minus 32. Okay, clear so far? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not clear?
No, sir, it's very clear.
Clear.
Okay, okay, clear. Good. Okay, now how do I find out the value of x from this equation? So have you studied factorization in the previous class?
Yes, sir.
So how do we factorize this expression? X square minus 4x minus 32. We have to make factors of this expression. Do you know how to factorize? Or you want me to revise it and tell you the procedure?
Sir, it's been quite a while, so
Yes, students, speak up. Okay, so you have forgotten. Okay. Okay, so let me make you recall. So what we do in factorization is we multiply the first value in the last value means the coefficient of x is multiplied with the constant value. So what do I get? Minus 32 multiplied by the coefficient of x square is 1. You will get minus 32. So I have to make factors of 32. Okay, such that when I add or subtract the two factors, I get this middle value minus 4. This is the procedure. Okay. So factorize this 32 first. Again, I will use prime factorization. Okay, I told you that prime factorization is a very important topic and it is applied again and again in almost every chapter. So factorize is 32 into factors. What will I get? 2 16s are 32. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. And 2 2s are 4. Then again I get a 2. So how many 2s are there? There are 5 2s. Now I have to somehow get two factors from this prime factorization such that when I add or subtract them, I get minus 4. So are there any factors of 32 whose difference is 4? Okay, let's write down the factors of 2 if it's still not clear. The factors of 32 are 2 into 16. This is one possibility. Then I can get 1 into 32, another possibility. Okay. Then 8 into 4, another possibility.
Sir, 8 into 4 because 8 minus 4 will be 4.
Yes. So all of you got the answer right. 8 and 4 will be the two factors that I will consider. Okay. Now I have to make minus 4 from 8 and 4. So what will be the sign of 8? It will be minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Because if the 8 has a plus sign, 8 minus 4 will become positive 4.
Yes, the value of the bigger number is considered.
Yes, the bigger number should have a negative value. So x square minus 8x plus 4x will be the answer. And minus 32 will remain as it is. So this is how you will write minus 4x, minus 8x plus 4x. Okay. So in order to cross check if you have written this, if you have chosen, you will multiply minus 8 with plus 4, you will get minus 32, which is the answer when you multiply minus 32 with 1. Okay. And if you subtract these two, you will get minus 4. You will get the middle value. So it means you have chosen the correct factors. Okay. Now simplify it. You will take x common from the first two terms and you will get x into x minus 8. Okay. Then plus 4 will be taken common from the next two terms and again you will get x minus 8. Okay. Then the final step will be you take x minus 8 common and x plus 4 will be left. So you will have now two factors x plus 4 into x minus 8. Okay, am I going too fast? Is it clear?
It's clear, sir.
Alizan, are you clear? Alizan, are you there? Okay, now let's know from Alizan side. Okay, I hope it's clear. So the last step will now be x plus 4 into x minus 8 should be equal to 0. Okay. So how do you solve this equation now? You will now consider two values. Either x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the next step which you perform. Okay. Remember this step. If you have factors like this, x plus 4 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. Either of the two values can be equal to 0. So either x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. So from here you will get two values of x. So x will be equal to either minus 4, the first, or x will be equal to 8. So it means that these values of x square, if you put x equal to minus 4 and if you put x equal to 8, again you will get 0. Okay. That is the next question. Yes, what do you think? Both values will be considered?
Sorry, sir, your voice is not coming.
Or we have to discard one value? Yes, I am saying that two values of x. I am saying that we get two values of x when we solve the equation. So should we consider both? Discard one value.
I think we should only keep one value as the answer of x.
So which value of x will be considered? Minus 4 or 8? 8 will be considered, right? Because x is minus 4. So if you put minus here, okay, that is not possible. You have a negative x over. The length of the field cannot be negative, right? So only consider x is equal to 8. Okay, I hope I have made my point clear. Okay, so this is the procedure. The solution is given. So in the solution again, x is equal to minus 4 is not equal to 8 is the only possible answer. Okay, so now you should be able to solve exercise 10b. Covered all the topics which lead to exercise 10b. So this is just one last question that we will discuss today, and then we'll finish off. This the most important side. Okay, I want you to be very, very attentive. So in this particular example, I am given a straight pole PR leaning against a vertical wall. Okay, now think of it as a ladder or a pole. It's leaning against. Call drop हो गई क्या है? Yes, students, are you listening? Voice dropped off.
Yes, sir, now your voice is coming.
Okay, good. I don't know why there's a problem with the Wi-Fi connection today.
Yes, sir, there's so
Hope
much
it goes smooth
problem.
because this is a very important question. Okay, don't worry. Go through this question. If you are not able to understand, then we will discuss it in the next class again. Okay. So in this particular question, I am given a wall MQ. Students, can you hear me? Can you hear me, students? Yes, hello students. Can we... Can you hear me, students, now?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Okay, so since only 2 minutes are left, I won't be able to complete this question. So, I'll see you in the next class, beta. And
Okay, sir.
please attempt the test. The link will open at 3, okay? And it will close at
Okay.
4. So if there is any problem, just let me know. I will remain online during the test, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Allah.
see you in the next class.